Yeah, today's topic is resistance. Basically, as we know that there are flow of electrons in a circuit. When the electron flows, the atom that is in the electron, like a lot of atoms are there. So that atom obviously attracts that electron towards it. So this gives the resistance to the electron, and this is basically the resistivity of the material. So basically is the own material property of the material that basically resists the flow of electron. And the resistance basically when we add their geometrical parameter, like we can add this length the which through the electron flows, at the same time the area the allowed to electron to move, that is the area that is allowed to move. So this is the resistance parameter. So basically the property of material to resist the flow of electron is called resistivity. The resistance is the it is the obstacle obst- is a difficulty that electron face while it flow in a conductor, depends on area and length. Length is directly proportional and area is inversely proportional. So, as we see, the electron flows through through a conductor. The atoms are traction, so uh, there is a obstruction that resists the flow of electrons. So this resist the property of the material itself is called the resistivity. And when we see there the geometrical parameter, that is length and area, at the same time the cause that produce, that is basically the resistance. The cause the resistance. There is the resistance, that is the electrons flow that record attracted by the atoms, and so there is the obstruction, or we can say the resistivity, the property or the cause that occurs, like it occurs basically the resistivity when the electron flowing inside the electron is flowing inside a conductor, then it is stopped by the atom. And when this property is we can say on geometrical parameter, when we say it, so it causes resistance, that is the difficulty that electron face while moving from it. So the resistivity along with the geometrical parameters that cause geometrical parameter length and area cause resistance, that basically is the difficulty that electron face while flowing in the conductor. Now uh, the formula that we know is R equals to rho Ly. So here R is resistance, rho is resistivity, L is length, is area. This area, and the SI unit is. So here we are. So here is the constant, that is the rho, that is the constant of proportionality, and is called the electric resistivity of a material of the conductor. So SI unit is resistance, it is ohm meter, and SI unit of resistance is ohm. So basically the resistivity is the material of the property of the material itself. It's rho, and the R is the what is the resistance, the cause that basically the difficulty that resists the flow of electrons. So it is resistance, and its SI is ohms. So those material who give a low resistivity are conductors, who give some resistivity are resistors, high are poor conductor, even higher insulator. Insulator even higher, that is insulator. So low is conductor, some is resistor, high uh, poor conductor, and even higher, that is the insulator. So this is the low resistivity is conductor, some resistivity resistor, high resistivity is a poor conductor, and even high resistivity is insulator.